Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through fixing the USB composite device driver error on your Windows computer. And now let's get started. If you are encountering issues with your USB composite device driver on Windows, follow these steps to resolve the problem. First, open the Windows search bar by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Type in Device Manager and select the Device Manager application from the search results. Once Device Manager is open, locate and expand the section labeled Universal Serial Bus Controllers. You will see several entries for USB root hubs. Right-click on each USB root hub and select Update Driver. After updating all the USB root hubs, proceed to update the drivers for the USB composite device and any other listed USB composite devices by right-clicking on them and selecting Update Driver. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.